What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are returning, and welcome to the new subscribers, new viewers. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell while you edit so that you get notified every single time uploading new video. And if you like the content, please go ahead and smash that like button. Okay guys, so it's finally here. Today I'll be showing you guys how much I've made in a month since I got monetized. So some of you may have seen a video uploaded a few weeks back showing you guys that I had gotten monetized and taking you through what needs to be done to apply for the YouTube partner program. So just a brief summary of how long it took for me to get monetized. So I started my channel back in last year, September 2020. I think it was on the 20th of September. Uploaded my first video on the 20th, and I think I got 1,000 subscribers in just under a year. I think I got 1,000 subscribers sometime in August of this year, although I still needed 4,000 watch hours for me to qualify for the YouTube partner program. So I think I finally got my 4,000 watch hours on the 20th of October. And I applied for the monetization, applied to be part of the YouTube partner program, and that took just under 24 hours, and then I was then eligible to put ads on my YouTube videos. Okay, so if you want to check that video out, I'll just link it somewhere up here, and then you guys can go check that one out. And without wasting any time, let's just get straight into this video, guys. So I'll just be taking you through how much I've made in a month of being monetized, and yeah, I'll just show you guys like a basic overview of my analytics and just talk you through some of the things that I've noticed on my analytics, and yeah, just take it from there. Okay guys, so I have my notes here, and I have my laptop on my left, so I'll be looking down and on the side from time to time, just to make sure that I don't miss any points. And yeah, so I'm just gonna start recording on my laptop, and then yeah, we'll just take it from there, guys. Okay, let me just start the screen recording. Okay, cool. Is this thing recording? Yep. Okay, cool. So the first thing that I'll be taking you guys through is my channel dashboard. So this is just a basic overview of what my channel looks like right now. As you guys can see, I've just uploaded a video about 2 hours ago. Please go check that video out. I'll link it somewhere here as well. And okay, so you can see my subscriber count. I currently have 1,657 subscribers. So at the time of being monetized, I only had 1,390 subscribers. So I've gained about 220 something subscribers since then. You can also see in the last 28 days I've had 12,000 views on my channel, and I've accumulated 872.5 watch hours. Okay, we'll get into the revenue part of it, but for now let's just jump onto my channel analytics. Okay, cool. So this is a more descriptive view of what I just showed you guys. So it shows that so I've actually customized the date range to be from the 21st of October up until the 21st of November, so that it's exactly a month, and then I can just show you guys what's been going on there. Okay, cool. So as you guys can see, I've had 13,700 views in the past, well, since the 21st of October until the 21st of November. I've had 993.9 watch hours, and I've gained 250 subscribers since since I got monetized. Okay, cool. So the next thing that I'm gonna jump onto is the revenue part. Okay, cool. So this is what all of you guys have been waiting for. So I'm just gonna show you how much I was making on a daily, and then we'll just take it from there. So on the first day, when I got monetized, I made 22 rands 73 cents, which was quite a lot considering the fact that I only had 1,000 subscribers and I didn't have as many videos. So I was expecting, because I've had people say they had they got 10 cents for their first day of being monetized. So I was pretty impressed with the amount. And then on the second day it went on to 29 rands 68 cents, and then it dipped 27 rands 58 cents. So yeah, I'll do the dollar conversions because I know some of my subscribers are based in the US. Shout out to you guys. So I'll just do a US conversion for you guys so that you have perspective of what's going on here. And then it just kept on going, and then the lowest amount I made since I got monetized was 16 rands 83 cents in a day. Okay. And the most that I've made in a day was 51 rands 43 cents in a day. Okay. And on the 21st, on the 20th actually, because the YouTube's revenue calculator is delayed by 2 days, so I won't be seeing anything for the 21st. So I'm actually filming this video on the 22nd of November, so we can't see anything for the 21st. The last figure is for the 20th of November, which is 28 rands 85 cents. I don't know how much that is in dollars, but I'll just put it somewhere on the screen for you guys to get that. Okay, cool. So let's just go and see which videos are my top earning videos. Okay, cool. So so in the same date range, you can see that my top 5 earning videos are the ones that are color coded here with the different colors. And my first top earning video is the PayPal video that I made on my channel, just showing you guys how to withdraw your PayPal funds into any South African bank account. So yeah, this video has made me 364 rands 79 cents since I got monetized, right? And yeah, so this video has a CPM of 159 rands 2 cents, right? So what's CPM? So CPM is basically an effective cost per mile, or the estimated average gross revenue per 1,000 playbacks on which an ad was shown. Well, in simple terms, this is how much advertisers are paying per 1,000 views on this video. Okay, so this is before YouTube takes its cut of 45%, because us as creators get 55% out of however much the advertisers are paying, right? Okay, cool. So that's how much the CPM is for this video. And if you look at my second top earning video, you can see that the CPM is slightly different to the first. Sorry guys, I was looking at the wrong thing. So I was looking at the average playback based CPM. So the playback, oh well, I was looking at the right thing, sorry, let's cut that out. Okay, cool. So my second most earning video has a CPM of 185 rands 36 cents, right? Which is obviously more than the first one, right? And you can see that this video has only made me 174 rands 56 cents, right? Okay, obviously this video doesn't have as many views as the first one. I think the first one has about 14,000 something views, approaching 15,000, right? And when I first got monetized, this video already had over 10,000 views, if I remember correctly. So this is how much I've made with just 4,000 and something views on this video, right? And same with this video, it has the second most views, and yeah, I think I got about 1,000 and something views after I got monetized on this video, which made me that much. Okay, well, that's the CPM, and it made me 174 rands 56 cents. Okay, yeah, so I'm not gonna go through the last 3 videos in the top 5, but what I want to show you guys is the difference in the CPM for all these different videos. Okay, so you can see that for instance, the most earning video, or the first or most earning video on my channel has a CPM of 159 rands 2 cents, right? But if we scroll down, you'll see that there's other videos that have a CPM that is much higher than that of my most earning video, right? So for instance, I have this YouTube bullet video that I uploaded on my channel, and it has a CPM of 822 rands and 67 cents, right? And you can see this video only has 18 estimated monetized playbacks, and you can see it's actually made me 8 rands 14 cents. And if you compare this video to the one directly above it, you can see this video has 210 estimated monetized playbacks, and it only has a CPM of 76 rands 66 cents. So this is where the CPM plays a big role, guys. So videos that have a higher CPM will generate you the most revenue, since advertisers are willing to pay more for that particular video. Unfortunately, in this case, this video doesn't have as many views. If you guys can just go watch this video, it'll probably climb up the ladder. But anyways, guys, so that's that video with the highest CPM. I think I have another one. Oh, so this video was actually, I think it had a CPM of 1,800 and something after I had just gotten monetized. So it actually went down by 1,000 rands, I think. So if we look at what are we looking at now? Oh, so there's another video that has a CPM that's pretty high. So here is the video. Oh, this one actually has the most it has the highest CPM, sorry. So you guys can see it has a CPM of 846 cents 43 cents. So that's how much advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 views on this video. Unfortunately, it's not doing as well. As you guys can see, there's only about 7 estimated monetized playbacks on this video. So yeah, this is a vlog, which is quite surprising for a vlog to have such a high CPM. So yeah, you guys can see some of the videos that have very low CPMs. This one only has 16 rands. I think this is the lowest. Yeah, so that's the overview, guys, on the top earning videos. So I'm just gonna now move on to the revenue part and show you guys exactly how much I made on this channel, right? Okay, cool. So if we go into revenue, you guys can see I've made a total of 1,056 rands and 35 cents since I got monetized. So this is from the 21st of October up until the 20th of November, even though this thing here says the 21st, but the 21st revenue is not included here. So yeah, that's quite a lot of money, considering the fact that I've been doing YouTube for just over a year, and the first year and a couple of months of not being monetized, I was literally doing it for free because I do enjoy filming these videos. And yeah, like it's actually quite fun. I really enjoy making content on YouTube. So this is just a bonus for me to be earning 1,000 rands from the work that I really enjoy doing. It's actually quite it's quite nice. So yeah, so another thing that we need to look at, guys, is the RPM, which is RPM means revenue per mile, and tells you how much you earned per 1,000 views. Okay, so this is an average of how much your channel is making per 1,000 views. Okay, so right now my channel is earning about 79 rands 57 cents per 1,000 views, and this is an average across well, since the 21st of October up until the 21st of November, right? And this is the average CPM, as you guys have seen on the other slide. So yeah, I'm just gonna refresh this just to show you guys that this is actually real. It's not fabricated. So hopefully it keeps the date range. But yeah, you guys can see the amount is still the same, 1,058 rands 1,058 rands and 35 cents. Why is it so difficult to pronounce this amount? Anyways, guys, so yeah, there you have it, guys. Okay, another thing, you guys can see that in the month of October I only made 336 rands 61 cents, and in November so far I've made 721 rands 74 cents, right? and the majority of the ad revenue comes from the ads, and then the about 1%, not even 1%, less than 1% comes from YouTube Premium revenue, which means that those people who have YouTube Premium that watch my video, this is how much they've contributed to my channel. And yeah, so this ad type will also show you where most of the revenue is coming from, because YouTube has different types of ads. So it has the skippable ads, which are the most common ones, and then it has the non-skippable ones, which are common, but well, it also has the non-skippable ones, which I'm sure you guys are familiar with. And then it also has the bumper ads, which are the ads that display at the bottom of the video when you guys are watching the videos. I'm not sure if these ads come up on phones, but I know on a laptop when you're watching a video it does come up, it does show up at the bottom. And then display ads, I think these are the ads that display on the side panel of your videos. I think they're usually at the top. So yeah, so you'll see that about approximately 75% of the ad revenue comes from the skippable videos ads. So please make sure that you guys are watching those ads so that I get paid. And only about 7.3% comes from the non-skippable ads, which is actually quite nice, and then the bumper ads and so forth. So yeah guys, you can actually go and see more. You can get a little bit more details here, and then you can see, so this is the total that my YouTube channel has generated: 1,910 cents, 1,910 rands 29 cents. Yo, why is it so difficult? And so this is before YouTube has taken out its cut. So if you minus 45%, well, you get more or less, if you minus 55%, you get more or less how much I've accumulated on my channel. So yeah guys, there you have it. I just hope that I'm not leaving anything behind. Yeah, it looks like I've gone through almost everything. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching guys. So what I'll do is I'll upload another video in the next 2 months, just to show you how much I've made in the first 3 months of being monetized, and then I'll do another one on the 6-month mark, and then another one on the 1-year mark, so that you guys have context of what it's like to be monetized on YouTube. And not to say that these figures are the same for all creators on YouTube. As you guys may know, different niches pay differently on YouTube, and different channels will obviously make different amounts based on the number of subscribers, based on the type of content that the creators make. So yeah, so this doesn't reflect someone else's figures. So this is just my YouTube channel, and this is how much I've made. I know some people may have made more than what I've made in their first month of being monetized with the same number of subscribers or less, or they may have made way less than I've made. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a look into my finances, if you like. So yeah guys, I hope this video will help you guys decide if you want to start a YouTube channel or not, if you've been thinking about it. But I say, go for it. Why not? This is an extra 1,000 rands every month. Well, maybe not every month. I might make less next month, I might make more. So yeah, I'll just keep you guys updated as time goes, but the goal is to obviously make more than I've made right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna close the video here guys. Just wanted to keep it nice and brief. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload another video. And yeah, thank you so much, and don't forget to like. I'll check you guys on the next one.